this video, I want to talk about how you can withdraw your money from eToro. Now this is super simple, guys. What you need to do is open up either the app or the website and click on withdraw funds. Now inside of here, you should be able to see how much is available to withdraw. And what this means is that it needs to be cash that you can actually withdraw. So that means it needs to be not in any stocks. So all the money I have in the stocks here, I cannot withdraw unless I sell my positions. So just keep that in mind. You need to sell the position if you want to withdraw the money. But what you can do is you can just sell some of it. So this one you can see is up $700. So what you can do is click on it, select the position, and then click on close. Don't click on it, click on close. And choose only part of the trade, and then you can just type in the profit. So if I want to just close this, I can close the trade, and then I'm only taking the profit while leaving the rest of it. So that's how it's done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.